Hello, I'm in a 2010 Subaru Outback, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first you go on the driver's side, and then you'll search down until you see a symbol like this, at which point back behind it you should find a lever right here. You should feel a little tension and hear a little pop sound as you pull it. That's releasing the safety lock that keeps the hood latched, so it's free now. If there's no tension at all on this, I mean, potentially it's already unhooked, but you might want to check the cables behind it, make sure there's proper tension. That's what it looks like there. Alright, so now we'll go up to the hood. And then most vehicles you'll find the release somewhere around the middle. You can see it's a little loose now. So right here, you're going to push it this way and pull up. A little bit heavy as a heads up. And usually you've got these lifters here that help open it and hold it open. But that's what the lever looked like. If you're having issues, there's a good chance maybe you have some debris in there that needs cleaned out. But it just moves back and forth there, and then it hooks onto this. Potentially also you could have like a hood out of alignment or something like that. And then if you had this particular vehicle, you might have other issues as well for drivability. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a great day.